Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. This one is again non-phone, since I know that's what most people are after. But real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another job lead, make sure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post another job lead. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the budgeting app Cleo. Now, I'm not sure if you've heard of this app before. I have seen it making its way around the internet. It seems to be very popular. It is an app that helps people look at their budget by downloading transactions out of your bank account and tell you where you are spending money, where you can cut back on. It gives you suggested budgets for different categories. They are hiring what they call a customer champion. Now, this is anywhere in the United States. Unfortunately, this is for my United States viewers only, and this is a non-phone live chat position. They are looking for someone who can live chat with their users to help them on their journey with the Cleo app and getting it set up and their budgeting journey. They are looking to help users get the best chance of getting Cleo to give them a salary advance. You'll serve the users in their credit builder card. You'll interact with the community of users as a company, understand the user base, give input on what product changes would better serve the customer, and you'll keep an eye out on trends that you're seeing and report irregularities to management. So this is a live chat position. It is a 1099 contractor position. It says it is flexible but based remotely in the US. It is looking for someone who wants to work between 20 and 40 hours per week. So it sounds like they have both options for part-time and full-time. Their hours are flexible as well, they say, but they mainly need people to work between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. in your time zone, since they function over multiple time zones. So it looks like your hours are flexible. You can choose daytime hours or evening hours if you have a full-time job and you're just looking to work part-time, maybe 5 or 6 to 8 p.m., get a little part-time money in there before you go to bed at night. You will need to be using your own computer for this, so you already have to have computer equipment. They do not provide that for you. As far as what they're looking for, besides someone that is based in the US, they are looking for someone who can be a self-starter. You can onboard and work from home, and you are driven to get started. Someone who is customer motivated and customer centric. You put the customer's issues first. Someone who is tech savvy and can use new technology. And you've got to be have great time management skills, since you will be working alone from home. Now, they do outline their interview process a little bit. It says it consists of a 15-minute Zoom call with a member of their team to find out more about your experience and why you would want to work with Cleo. And then you have a 1-hour Zoom interview, half an hour with your potential manager and half an hour with some of the team members you would be working with to make sure you are a good fit within the team. And then they'll give you a short task to prepare you for the 1-hour interview. Now, unfortunately, they don't say what the pay is for this job. You will have to ask at the time of the interview, and because the option is part-time and full-time, they don't mention any benefits either. If this position was not a great fit for you, that's okay. Please leave in the comments anything specific you are looking for, any education and experience that you may have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.